prepare the Sabudana Kheer, first take a kadai or any suitable vessel and add the soaked Sabudana into it. I have soaked the Sabudana in hot water for almost half an hour. The Sabudana becomes soft, swells up and becomes translucent after soaking. You can just soak it in hot water for 10 minutes after rinsing it, but make sure you rinse it. I've soaked it for longer so it can reduce the cooking time. If the Sabudana is stuck to each other after it is soaked, then separate it using a spatula. Keep the heat on low during this stage. Then add 1 cup of water into the vessel and turn the heat up to medium. Stir this mixture well and continue breaking the Sabudana lumps. We will continue stirring and cooking the Sabudana until it has become transparent and is soft. It shouldn't be hard or chewy. Cook until it is soft. Then add a cup of milk into it. Mix this well and let it cook until the Sabudana turns soft and light. Then add in 1/4 cup of sugar. This is approximately 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can change the quantity as per your desired taste. Continue stirring for some time, then add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. I have used crushed cardamom. Let the mixture boil until the kheer thickens. Don't wait until it is too thick because the mixture thickens further after cooling. You can turn off the heat when the mixture is of pouring yet a thick consistency. As you can see, the Sabudana is cooked and is transparent. You can bite and check it if it is soft. The mixture is thick as well, so we will turn off the heat now and keep this aside. Now the next step is optional. We are preparing the garnish for the kheer. For this, add 2 teaspoons of ghee in a pan, and once it heats up, add in chopped cashew nuts and saute it until it is slightly roasted. Then add in some dry grapes and continue sauteing it. I have used 1 tablespoon of each. The grapes swell up after some time. Then switch off the flame and pour this mixture in the kheer. Add in chopped almonds too. I have used 1 tablespoon of chopped almonds. You can enjoy the kheer without garnishing it as well, but this adds an exotic taste and completes the dish. Stir this well and make sure the ghee mixes well with the kheer. Your Sabudana Kheer is now ready to be served. You can serve it when it is warm or chilled. It is very easy to make and tastes absolutely delicious. Enjoy!